My name is Nicole.
Hi, I'm Amelia.
Hi, I'm Kira.
My name is Natasha.
Hi, I'm Kat.
I want all my students to feel very supported. I really want to see them grow, and I really want them to feel empowered when they come into my classroom and when they leave here.
So what my students can expect from me is support, but also really exciting and fun.
Students are in a safe space. They can always feel comfortable asking for help, and especially to not be afraid to make mistakes, as I truly believe that is one of the best ways we can learn and grow.
I love educating at the Institute because it's such an amazing culture.
Everyone is so different and everyone is so kind and friendly. And I think just the energy and the culture in this building just makes you feel amazing.
The technique that I find very exciting to teach is our hair cutting unit. I love seeing the shapes come together as well as seeing students get excited about nailing down these new techniques.
I love teaching the points of difference. It will help learners achieve confidence and really push the boundaries in customer service.
My students are thriving outside of the school in their careers, and just reaching for their dreams and seeing them get there is really impactful and tells me how well I did on helping them.
I hope that my students will have achieved the desire to always keep learning. That is something that is quite important as a hairstylist, as the field is always evolving and changing. There's always something new to learn.
I want students to not only have an amazing skill set by the time that they leave the Aveda Institute Winnipeg, but I also want them to have a confidence that radiates from them as they walk through the door.